Let's be real, YouTube automation is one of the smartest things you can do in 2025. But the real problem is, if you're just starting out and have no idea what kind of videos to make, here's the easiest entry point for you guys. Chinese, surreal, and brain rot style videos. These crazy chaotic clips grab attention of the audience instantly and they are insanely easy to make. Like, trust me guys, take a look at this YouTube channel. It blew up by just uploading 34 videos, gained like thousands of subscribers, and take a look at the views of the most popular shorts that this channel has uploaded. 31 million views, 11 million, 6.1 million. Like, these numbers are literally crazy, you guys, right? But here is the most important thing. This niche is super viral right now, but as you guys know, trends move really fast. So it is really important that you got to jump in before it gets saturated. So yeah, start now while it's still fresh, you guys. Okay, so yeah, without further ado, you guys, let's just go ahead and dive in and I'll show you exactly how to create these kind of brain rot style Chinese surreal videos in just under 5 minutes. So yeah, let's go. All right, so first of all, in this channel, we're gonna go ahead and go to the short section and click on popular. And basically what we're gonna do, we're gonna pick up the most famous shorts that this channel has uploaded. So you guys can see this one has 31 million views. So yeah, that is insane, right? So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and open this short. So you guys can see this is what the short is all about. Yeah, so yeah, these are basically some surreal characters, kind of a brain rot characters, and this is basically the compilation of all those characters. So yeah, from here, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and take the images of these characters as a reference. Then I'm gonna go ahead and create my own version, basically my own unique version, so that I can go ahead and get different style out of these character, right? So yeah, first of all, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and one by one take screenshots of all of these characters. So yeah, let's just say I'm gonna go ahead and take that and now come back to ChatGPT and simply copy paste this character right over here. And in the prompt section, I'm gonna go ahead and type describe this image as a prompt so that I can create it in any AI image generator. Also, please provide a prompt in a way so that I can get exact same type characters which are in the images, right? So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and hit enter. So yeah, now you guys can see ChatGPT is gonna basically provide me the prompt for my character that I can go ahead and use it to create it at any AI image generator, right? So yeah, similarly, likewise, I'm gonna go ahead and take second character from here, like this one. I'm gonna go ahead and take screenshot, come back to ChatGPT, paste it right over here, and simply copy paste the same prompt. And for that, ChatGPT now is gonna provide me the prompt again for this character now. And similarly, I'm gonna go ahead and take screenshot for 2 or 3 characters like this. It would be my third one. Similarly, paste it in ChatGPT, copy paste the same prompt as I provided earlier. So this is basically a very easy step to go ahead and create your own style videos. It will be like only like 3 to 4 steps, and in that you'll be able to create amazing surreal videos just like the shot I provided you earlier, right? So yeah, after I'm done with all this, you guys can see I've also created these characters, like prompt of these characters as well. So now what is their second step? We need to go ahead and create those in any AI image generator. So for that, I'm gonna go ahead and do that in FlexClip, which you guys know is my most favorite AI image generator, you guys, right? So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and one by one copy paste all of the prompt, paste it in FlexClip. Make sure you select the style as cinematic, model will be ultra, ratio, make sure to select 9:16, which will be a TikTok format. Let's generate this. And similarly, I'm gonna go ahead and keep on generating image for all of my generations in FlexClip, you guys, okay? All right, so after I'm done, you guys can see these would be my characters that would be look like that I wanted to create out of the shot. You guys can see these were the initial character, like this is the first one, and for that Flex will be providing me with this kind of one. So as I guys told you earlier, I'll be creating my own versions of these character. Like, so let's just say this was my character of a rabbit with human body, and for that it provided me with this output. You guys can see this looks really good, kind of similar, but it's my own version obviously. And this is the last one. kind of a cabbage one, which was this one. Let me show you guys. And for that, it provided me with this one. Yeah, you guys can see this one is looking really, really good. And now, after all of my images are done, I'm gonna go ahead and download my most favorite one. Okay, so once the image step is done, so now what we have to do is we need to go ahead and animate all of these images into videos. And for that, I'll be using a Runway, you guys, right? So yeah, what's cool about Runway is if you are a new user, let's just say I go to image to video section, so you will be provided with 125 credits, which will be quite enough to create at least 5 generations. So yeah, that is really, really cool. So yeah, from here, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and drop every single image that I created with FlexClip into Runway and provide in my prompts. So for that, I'm gonna provide in my prompt, let's just say character moving. Okay, so yeah, or moving, or you can say character walking. All right, so yeah, this would be my prompt for my every single generation. I'm gonna click on generate, and similarly I'm gonna go ahead and provide in my second image, which was this. And for that, the prompt would be same, only I'm gonna type characters instead of character. And let's generate this once again, and similarly I'm gonna go ahead and do for all of my generations, you guys, right? So yeah, now you guys can see I've created all of my generations. So let me show you one by one. This was my first generation. Take a look at this one. This was my first generation. You guys can see this looks really, really good. And let me show you the next one. So this was my second generation, in which all of my characters were walking. And yeah, you guys can see the animation. The smoothness is really, really good. And let me show you the rabbit one, which turned out absolutely fantastic. You guys can see this one is looking really, really good, to the point, up to the mark. There is no deformation. The movement of the rabbit is really, really good. Like the way they're walking turned out absolutely perfect, as you guys can see, right? So yeah, after I'm done with all of my video generations, so the next step is we need to go ahead and edit all of those together. And for that, I'm going to use Filmora, and I'm going to go ahead and import all of my clips right over here. Just drag them to the timeline, as you guys can see. And now our next step is we need to go ahead and add some sound effect and some background music. So for that, I'm going to go ahead and use Pixabay, which is one of the best royalty-free background and sound effect music library. And in the search bar of Pixabay, I'm going to simply go ahead and search for Fear, or you can search either for Cinematic. So these both sound effects would be best for your generation. So yeah, from here, I'm going to go ahead and choose the best one that suits perfectly for my video, you guys, right? So yeah, once my sound effect is downloaded as well, simply I'm going to go ahead and do a little bit of editing, just combine everything together, drag in my sound effect, and make sure your aspect ratio is in 9:16, as I told you earlier. And after that, simply go ahead and click on export. And now take a look at this final generation that I created, you guys. So yeah, there you have it, guys. This was the easiest method to create these kind of surreal videos, like Chinese videos that literally blew up in no time. So you guys can go ahead and create your own as well, upload on YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram, and just monetize your channel in no time. So yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you liked it, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.